Morning.
Internal. Quickly.
Alright, for today's video, playing Ayala Greenfield, joined a tournament sponsored by Malayan Insurance. So this tournament, playing with Andrew, same faces. good luck, brother. Yeah, magpapating Olympics kami ni Andrew and his cousin, Mr. Three Strokes himself, si Mark. Good luck, brother. Good luck. And ayan si Attorney BJ. Three Strokes. Ayan, Attorney. Good luck. And shout out sa aming mga caddy. Ang aking caddy si Delin. Si Ate Karen. Hi naman kayo. Ayan, hi. Ayan, and sino yung mga kasama natin? Melody and Apple. Ayan. Thank you. Ayan. So we're playing the white tees, starting the tournament hole number 16. So it's already a fun hole, sponsored by Keb Car. Okay, hole number 16. Since this is a fun hole, it is playing 175 yards. So I think closest to the pin. That's hole-in-one prize is the Keb Car. Go! Parang patong naman, Mark. Ay.
Nice shot. Nice shot.
Yun naman. Hole-in-one mo na. Hole-in-one kagad. Oy! Go! Go! Nice naman. Closest to the pin kagad ah. Nice shot, brother.
Ako sanay
natin
sa vlog na yun.
Oo nga eh.
Comfy ako pag nakikita ko yung Milyari Golf.
Nice shot, brother. Ganda, Attorney. Stop turning. Kick left. Nice shot. Okay. Okay, left with a terrible tee shot. Left with 50 yards. A little left to right. Tirang mga 40 to the flag.
Okay. Bye.
Ay, ang bilis sa stick nga pumunta ate. Mark. To go up and down for par.
Nice one, Mark.
Alam na this. Good shot, brother. 21 paces to go to save par. So ako, 4 points. Si Mark yata 3. Si Attorney BJ 2. 1 si ano. Ano to, right to left?
Okay, go. Yun, nice. Nice.
Okay, so Olympics pala. 3 points si Attorney BJ. 2 si Andrew. 1 si Mark. Lakas. Please. Okay, Mr. Cortez for 2 points and birdie. Tama na. That's good, brother. Good par. Stress free. Early double. Ay. Parang masyadong kanan yung aim ko. Nice putt. Par, good par. Alright, so that was a bad double bogey. Hole number 17, par 5, 455 yards. Slightly, alam ko, dog leg left. So the aim is to aim for that coconut tree sa left side. So yan, little left of the fairway. Hazard kanan po.
Pero playable pag kanan.
Oo, diba? Hazard yung kaliwa. Okay. Okay lang yan.
Okay. Yun, no? Okay. Nice.
Stinger. Stinger na hindi sadya.
Tatama yung...
Ay, bumigay. Naku, nag-ingat masyado. Playable naman yan. Sayang. First time ever sana to win the most. Hindi naman win most accurate. Pero a chance for most accurate. Sayang. Okay, second shot, playing 230 yards. Slightly against the wind. Hitting a hybrid. Wind. Ay, too much.
Maliwa.
I shot, Luis. Lumusot.
Safe naman.
Okay.
Pero parang baka. Tingnan na lang natin.
Hindi na siya.
Oo nga pala, may Olympics nga pala tayo. Okay, left with 40 yards to the flag. Aiming straight to the pin na. Okay.
Go pa. Go. Ay, stop ka.
So, ako 4 points. 3 si attorney. Naku, bilis. Ganda, Mark. Ay, bilis. Bilis. Okay, attorney BJ for 3 points. Hina! Sobrang hina. Andrew for 1 point. Lakas din. Right inside na, no? Yes, sir.
Wala tayong spot na.
Yun.
Wow.
Olympic sana. Good putt. Uy, bumali. Uy, that's good, that's good. Alright, hole number 18. Currently I'm 3 over, playing 326 yards to the flag. So hole is dog leg left from the white tees. The pin is here sa left side. Tapos may tubig sa right side. Naku, na pull. Sumabit.
Mali? Okay. Okay.
Yung. Wag kang... Ayun, tumalbog. Parang... Okay. For my second shot, I am left with 80 yards to the flag. Since it's against the wind, tirang 80 pa rin. Natin. Nakatutok mo na lang. Kaliwa to konti.
Kaliwa, sir. Yung parang bato, yung ano. Yung kaliwa. Basta ng kaliwa.
Ganun kalaki ha?
Okay, nice shot.
Siguro hindi na 3-putt yan. Sana.
Baba.
Mr. Cortez left with 75 yards to the flag. Kaliwa din. Kick right. Just left of the flag.
Grabe yung pull.
Hole 18. View of Mount Makiling. Ganda. Tony BJ and Mark. Chance for 5 points each sa Olympics. Bite. Seto. Mark for 5 points. Mahina lang. Okay. So for Olympics, Andrew putting for 4 points. Ako for... Sino mas malayo sa atin na Attorney BJ? Ako? Ikaw? Ikaw? Kami. So 3 points ako, 2 points si BJ, 1 si Mark. Naku, malakas pa rin.
Grabe.
Gano'n kalaki sa kaliwa yun? Left to right? Left to right, di ba?
Opo.
Okay.
Kulang. Hey!
Nakatuloy.
Ano na lang yan?
Nakatupa.
Yun. Dapat pala yun ang competition natin dito. Yun.
Good putt. Ang bigay mo right inside? Nakabig.
Nakabig mo.
Or kinain ng damo. Tatlong 3 putt na. Ay nako, hindi ko makuha yung putting ko. Ang lalayo. Currently 4 over. Hole number 1, 353 yards. Dog leg left. The play is aim for those bunkers yan. Dito. Tapos kung madro-draw yung golf ball better.
Yun.
Yan ang perfect.
Good drive, Mark.
Layo. Alam ko na yung sinasabi mo.
Parehas kayo.
Kita ka nyo diretso eh.
Doon din tayo, sir. Hello? Patay.
Yun, mabas.
Okay. May kakampi. Buti na lang.
Nako. Okay lang yata yan. A little too left lang yata.
Yung ano.
Yung pababa. Oo. Okay, what a terrible drive. I'm left with 180 yards to the flag na yung 180 mo? Okay, hitting a 6 iron. Kakaliwa.
Okay. Nice shot. Okay.
Ano yun? Hip hop. What's up? What's up, fool? Okay. Unfortunately, went over 20 yards left to right.
Ganda yan. Go pa. Ay, nag-bite. Ganda sana.
Mag-bite.
Ganda sana, pangit lang. Mark for 4 points. Ako for 3. 3 and 4 par. Ganda naman ng pace na yan.
Good day.
Pasok! Pakimark, pakimark. Nice spot, Mark.
Yay!
Okay, attorney BJ for 2 points. Right inside dati. Kasi damo.
Pwede nga akong diretso.
Diretso na. Na firm na. Titigil na muna ako.
Focus na.
That's good, that's good.
Ano?
3 putt pa rin. Okay, that's another terrible 3 putt. 4 na 3 putt na ako. Hole number 2, playing 470 yards. Par 5. Slightly, hindi pala dogleg right to. Slightly turning right lang. Ganda.
Longest drive.
Most accurate yata dito. Longest drive ba? Most accurate.
Longest drive daw tong hole.
Wow. Nice shot, Mark. So ano mo nga lang, ball placement mo lang.
Four! Naku, pumasok ata. Four!
Naku, mabig. Very lucky. Tumama siguro to sa puno, went back to the fairway. Well rough. Left to 190 yards to the flag. Hitting a 6 iron.
Hala.
Buti dito. Mga 25?
Ano ba isasabi? Okay.
Good out, Reed.
Nice out.
Buti nga nandito eh. Tapos ano ulit? 4 on 3 putt. Okay. To go up and down hopefully for a par. Uphill.
Nakahit ng puso doon.
Left to right nyo eh. Okay, Mark for 5 points. One point. So, so 2 na si Mark, 1 ka. So, attorney for 4 points. Ako for 3. Andrew for 2. For 3 points. Right to left, ate. Pasok! Wow! What a putt! What a putt! 3 points! Ay, 4. Oh, kasi labas siya eh. Oh, 4. Gano'ng kalaki sa kanan?
Grip lang, sir. Nakabig, nag-close yung ulo.
Yay! 2 putt! Yay! Hindi na ako 3 putt. Okay. Par 3 playing 119 yards. So it's either a 50-degree wedge or a 56. Para mas maganda hindi, play short para uphill yung putt. Ganda, Mark. Huwag ka lang ma-short. Parang against sa taas. Sakto pala. Nice shot, Mark. Parang mukhang pinipigil pero hindi. Ganda na slope. Pero ate, wag mo ano. Baka huli naman. Ay! Grabe, sayang. Ang ganda ng gulong nun. Ang grabing chamba yun. Ang grabing chamba yun kung nasip yun. Tumatay yung kali sa laro. Yun. Nakuha mo.
Nice.
Short din yata. Nakuha mo.
Go. Bumait. Bumait lang para maganda.
Dapat pala 50. Ay, ngayon naman hindi nag-draw. Ayun kay Andrew. Sa gitna ng dalawang yan? Okay, I have the spot for birdie and for 4 points. Sa gitna ng dalawang marker.
Apa. Nice.
What? Grabe naman, layo pa rin. Wala. For 5 points. Huwag naman. Huwag naman, 5 points yan eh. Magiging 9 siya. Okay na yan? Okay, another point. 5 points na si attorney. Mark for 4 points and for birdie. For 3 points and bird. Sayang. Okay na yan, Mark? Andrew for birdie and 1 point. Good bird. No doubt. Ito ate, kaliwa. Laki. 3 putt again. Ang laki na kulang bigay natin. What's new? Another 3 putt. Okay, handicap 1. Okay, so with the wind, lay up hole. Aim for that cart there sa fairway. Tapos dog leg right siya. Dikit lang. Panday, Andrew.
Perfect. Over.
Ganda, layo niyan, Drew. Nice shot, brother.
Wow.
Ay, too much cut lang.
Yun. Nice.
Ganda. Huwag ka lang kikik ng malaki. Tama na. Yun ang sinasabi ko. Just counted my score. Grabe, I'm already 8 over because of all the 3 putts. Kabawi, subok lang. I'm still left with 130 yards to the flag. Do I hit a 50-degree wedge? With the wind ba? Pero better short, better over, no? Sige, 50 na lang. Sige, pitching wedge lang para
Ano yung hangin?
sana aabot.
Okay na yan? Nice. Nice shot. Wow. Wow naman. Siguro naman.
Mark around 100 yards. Go! Go! Parang pwede. Mark for potentially 5 points. Ako ba 4? Si Attorney BJ. So 3 points ako. 1 pa si Mark.
1 pa si Mark. That's good, that's good. Galing.
Nice. Okay, par. Take na yun.
Parang mahina, brother.
Natakot ako dun.
Par.
Mark for 1 point.
Yun.
Oh. Alright, hole number 5, par 4. 370 yards. Dog leg left. Yan. So where the players are, left pa yan yung aim. That the pin is there. Nag-invento kasi.
Okay lang yan.
Hindi, playboy.
Nice. Diyan ka lang. Okay.
Wala naman tayong choice, Atik, okay o hindi.
Kaya sa gusto mo.
Wala tayo. Ganyan ang draw. Perfect. Ganda. Nice shot, Mark. Yeah, ganda. Nice shot. Sige, okay. Second shot, left with 125 yards to the flag. Hitting a pitching wedge. Patay yung hangin, patay yung bukan.
Maliwa. Yun, safe.
Over yata.
Opo, buti yung green na yun. Yung lumang
Isa gitna.
Opo.
Di ba dalawa yung dating butas? Yung sa
Loob nun, dito sa kanan.
kanan lang nun. Okay. Tapos sobrang bilis. Bilis pa rin nga. Lagpas pa rin.
Hello. Tap. Lumabas ka pa.
Fringe.
Yun.
Okay. Olympics pa rin. Attorney, potentially for 5 points. Okay na yan. 1 point ulit. Inu-Olympian tayo ni ano eh.
Maraming points si Tony.
Okay, for 5 points.
Kaliwa. Yan ka pa.
Uy, grabe naman yun. Left to right. Kung saan yung bola?
Yung bola niya. Sir. Against the grass.
So medyo mabagal ng konti.
Ang hina.
For 2 points. Bumali.
Wow.
Nice spot. Alright, so that was another bogey. Hole number 6, par 3. Fun hole. Playing 120 yards to the flag. Slightly with the wind, downwind. It is a fun hole sponsored by Colab and Google Cloud. Yan. Kaliwa lang. Kick right. Patong yan.
Yan, ganda niya, Mark.
Maganda, Mark.
Mag-ride ka ng konti, yun yung pababa na. So okay na yun.
Short pa rin nga. Oo nga, malakas sa akin sa taas, ano?
Ganda rin.
Nice shot.
Sit. Sabi sa'yo, Luigi. Sabi sa'yo, 15.
Just went over the green. Right to left. May kabilisan. Ay, kuling. Baba. So, Andrew putting for birdie and 4 points. Sino 3 sa inyo, Mark? Ikaw? Si Mark ang 3. Tapos si BJ ang 2. Ako 1. Ganda. Ay, oo nga. Birdie and 3 points. Mahina! Nailang ka sa pinsan mo bagay. Hina din.
Sure.
Bagal talaga.
Yun.
Dinagdagan ko na.
Lang ka.
Yay, 2 pot.
Ay, wala.
Uy, nabali.
Gosh, 3 pots.
Welcome. Uy,
Ay, grabe naman tong green
that's
na to.
good.
3 pot dead. Grabe naman tong
Ba't ka nagtitripat?
Nahawa ka mo sa'yo.
Kaya nga eh.
Nahawa tayo sa
Hindi yun yung ibig sabihin nun dapat eh. Nice pot. Okay, still can't make a putt. Hole number 7, I think I'm now 10 over. Hole number 7, 306 yards. Green is here. Ganda. Perfect over yan. Perfect. Pwede sanang driver. Sabay ganun. Draw. Ngayon hindi nag-draw.
Shot.
Laki ng putt. Draw pala.
Nice shot.
Safe po.
Layo. Layo ng kinanan. Okay. Left with 130 yards. Against the wind. Malakas. So I'm just choking a 9 iron. Go. Behind?
Nice. Behind.
Si ate. Magpa-follow. Magsusubscribe daw si Melody. Pruweba.
Follow you.
Pruweba kung magpa-follow siya o hindi. Hahanapin mo yung video mo ha.
Yes,
pero matagal
sir.
pa to. 2 buwan pa to. Dami pang backlog eh. Ayan. Sana dikit na. Malakas. Ganda, Drew! Hinangin! A little over lang. Good shot. Nice shot. What a terrible shot. Short na short. Left with 40 yards to the flag. One of the hardest shots in golf.
Bite.
Buti lang matigas yung ano. Okay, for 5 points. Ganda, attorney. Ay, bumite! Bumite lang. Mr. Ronquillo. Ganda. Ganda! Ay, nag-boost lang. Ganda na lang binagsakan mo eh. Okay. Mr. Cortez for 5 points. So mukhang ako ang 3. Si BJ 4. Mark might be 2. Andrew is 1. Or 5. Okay na yan. Okay na to. Mas malayo yata ako, diba? Okay, thank you. Mas malayo ako kay Mark, ano? Okay.
Pasok.
Ay.
Yun na, ganun din. Replay. That's good. Okay, hole number 8. Playing 339 yards. Dog leg right. Handicap 7. Alam ko lay up hole lang to. Nice shot.
Okay, nice shot.
Nice shot.
Ganda.
Perfect.
Kick right din. Nice shot. Stop turning. Okay lang, safe. Kick left. Okay, good shot. Okay, Mark with 150 to the flag.
Good shot.
Ganda eh.
On.
Oo nga no, parang may against sa taas.
Good on.
Ganda, Drew.
Rolling pa.
Birdie na naman, brother. Good shot, brother.
Thank you.
Hitting a pitching wedge. Hindi ko nakokontrolin yung 9. 130.
Green. 4!
Sobra. Masyadong sinigurado. Chance for 5 points. Left to right yan?
Sa dulo, sir. Dito
Dito si Sipa. So diretso ko na lang.
Pwede.
Attorney, pag na-shoot mo
Downhill
yan,
po.
sa'yo na lahat ng points ko.
Sobra pa rin yun.
Pasok! Wow! Grabe naman, galing.
5 points sana.
Sayang.
Science. BJ. 4 points. Nakong hina, attorney. Ay, hindi pala. Ang bilis pala. Mukhang ang hina. Parang ang hina. Sorry. Okay, mark for 5 points potentially. Hit it inside me. Hit. 2 points pa si Mark. Okay na yan, Mark. 2. Ako 1. Ang layong 3 points. Andrew for birdie and 2 points. 3 points. Hina.
Oh, I got scared. I got... Go!
Oh, what happened, Andrew? Creep-ut, right?
Why are you crying again?
Why you copy me again? Creep-ut, right?
That's right?
Alright, hole number 9. At least hindi na ako nagtitripat. 501 yards. Dog leg left. Yeah. Driver hole.
Yun.
Ganda ng baby Mark.
Wow.
Layo. Yan na, 3 on. Ay ano, pang eagle in play.
Uy, draw pala.
Kumanan.
I shot.
Hey.
Yun.
Ay, what happened, Luigi? Ganda yun, fade. Buti. Buti. Nanakot ka ng konti. Uy, tama na. Okay. Okay, just landed right off the fairway. Draw pero nag-slice. So playing over these trees. Make it a 3-shot hole. Mga ate, 4 ah. 4 ah. Dito ako. Sa ibabaw. Sana.
Ibabaw nga. Uy. Nice shot. Andiyan na yan, fairway.
Pwede pang mag-pitching wedge niya. Sobrang taas.
Taas na.
Oh, mata. Okay, Mr. Cortez. I am left with 190 yards, pero it's against the wind. So I'm hitting a 5 iron. Hopefully it's enough.
Nice shot.
Sobra.
Left.
Sobrang paano.
Hindi tumalbog.
Okay, left with 30 yards to the flag. To go up and down for a par. Ano to, ate, kanan?
Right.
Ulit sa kanan, mabilis.
Pasok! Ay!
Oh, malaki nga talaga, no? Hindi ako naniwala sa kadi ko. What
O
happened?
sir, ano? Gusto mo magmuligan?
Change player, right?
Sir, gusto mo magmuligan? Baka...
Nakakatakot, baka mag-chukoy pa ito eh.
Oh,
Hindi
sige.
naman piligan.
Ay, wala kasi. Sino nga? Lagi ako.
Wow, good choice. Andrew 4 points. Tama na. Settle. Wow, 4 points nga. Okay. This is for 3 points.
Sobrang laki doon sa ano. Tapos edge lang nung lumang butas.
Dinagdagan ko kasi alam kong papalaylayin ko sana dito pagka tumigil dito. Papalaylay ng konti dapat.
Sobra.
3 points again, sabi ko sa'yo, abuling ka.
Hindi, pero layo naman kasi talaga. 3-pot territory talaga.
Wow.
Uy, hindi pa nakuha yung 2 points. What happened, Mark? You're turning into Luigi. Vampire, right? Okay, hole number 10. 438 yard par 4. Par 5. Best chance for ano to? For eagle. Kila Mark and Andrew sa amin. Dapat sa dogleg right, tapos bangin, then cross the green. Ganda.
Ayun na maganda. Sakto yung tumaba.
Nice shot. Nice shot. Wow.
Bilis yung downswing.
Subscribe.
Okay lang.
Okay, second shot left with 165 yards. Crosswind to the left. Hopefully, kaming tatlo. Eagle is in play. Okay, hitting a 7 iron.
Nice shot. Okay.
Okay lang pala.
Muntik mag-hole in one.
Oh,
Muntik mag-hole in one.
very strange. Biglang umulan. Wow! Ang galing naman nun! Nice shot! Mr. Olympian talaga. Landed 17 yards to the flag, right to left. Mabagal.
Dito lang sir.
Bibilis. Sige.
Okay, nice. Nice shot. Wow.
Hi, birdie!
Oh, take na.
Thank you. Yay, birdie. 1 point. Mark for 5 points. Grabe, 5 points din. 2 points pa pala ako. Mark, 1 si Mark. 2 ako. 2 points ako, 1 ka. I had to stop a little because of rain delay. Okay, hole number 11, par 3. Pero may puddle of water. Playing 120 sa white tees. Tapos it's also a fun hole. Nearest to the pin. And also hole in one. Kotse yata to. Or kotse lang to or motor. MUX. Hindi, Honda. Alam mong kotse kaya bibigyan nila sa Honda.
Naka-display dun.
Ano ba yung naka-display dun?
BRV.
Ah, BRV. O so BRV nga at saka MUX. Sige nga, dito ko na 4 na muligan. Dito ko na gagalingan. Ano yung yardage nyo? So, playing 130 yards.
Nice shot.
Isang matinding kick right.
Okay.
Pinay, kaliwa. Kanan lang. Kahit motor lang. Ayan na, Drew. Timing belt.
Yun. Gulong mo.
Ay, kaso dito bigil. Hoy! Joke lang, sorry. sorry. It's a prank. sorry.
Bilis ang reflex eh.
Pero grabe mga tatlo yung ginanyan mo. Closest to the pin lahat. Ayan din. Kanan lang. Kick left na matindi. Olympian na naman. Patay na naman tayo. Okay, everyone is putting for birdie. Attorney BJ 4 points. Si Mark is for 3. Ako for 2. Si Andrew for 1 point. What happened? What happened, attorney? Kailangan dagdagan. Makikinig na kasi talaga ako sa'yo.
Hindi na, wag na.
Hindi niya mismo. Bilis, Luigi!
Yoy!
3 pot na naman. What happened? Birdie, baby?
Left pala. Kala ko right. Wrong. RC. Break.
Parang napupush ko. 3 pot. Okay, hole number 12. Over. B2B na naman. 292 yards. Okay. To lay up, it's 190 yards. So wala namang gulong. Dog leg left. So hitting a 7 iron.
Solid.
Nice shot.
Solid.
Nice shot.
Set the line.
Okay.
Slightly behind lang. Naku,
Ano, balik.
kick right. Okay lang yan? Yung mga Huwag kang magka-cart path. Huwag kang magka-cart path. Cart path, kitang kita. Bababa yan. Sana. I am left with 90 yards to the flag. So, hitting a full 60-degree wedge.
Too much left.
Delikado din.
Take na yung Nice shot. Nice. Go.
Uy!
Yeah. Nice.
1 point.
Nice 1 point.
Okay, that was another bogey. Pero may 1 point ako. So, hole number 13, playing 400. It's playing 425 yards. And also, it's a fun hole. Longest drive. Kukunin na ni Mark to. Okay. Or ni Drew. ASL Builders. Wala? Naku! Yan na, longest drive nga. Kaliwa lang. Kick right. Fairway mo lang.
Nice. Nice shot.
Yan, may chance. Switch.
Okay, yun.
Wala talagang gulat. Nice drive.
Kick left.
Over yata.
Sayang. Yung longest drive, ayun. Pero kami kasi inabutan na ng ulan. Alright, for my second shot, it's downwind. 160 yards. Hitting an 8 iron.
Hindi ko na, wait lang.
8 iron.
Nice. Nice shot.
Okay, just landed over the green. Half grip, half putter. Ganun kalaki ha. Mabilis. Mabagalan. Okay. 24 yards.
Nice. Wow.
Nice for birdie. Thank you. Yay, another birdie. Na-take ulit. Tsaka 1 point. I-2 points mo ako. I-2 points mo ako. I-2 points mo ako. I-2 points mo ako. Okay, 2 points ako. Okay, 2 points ako. 1 point si Mark. Okay. Okay, 2 points pa. Nice one, Mark. Thank you. Okay, 2 points. Thank you, Mark. Dalawa na yung binibigay mo sa akin ganun. Ano ka, birdie? Par? Par. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay, Andrew for 4 points. Oh, lakas. Huwag mo naman i-shoot. 3 points na naman. Nice putt. Never a doubt. Good par. Alright, hole number 14. Their signature hole. Hole par 3. Island Green. It is playing 180 yards. And it's downwind. So I might hit either a 7 or a 6 iron. Tapos it's also a fun hole. Yeah, so these are the sponsors. Again, thank you very much Malayan Insurance for the tournament. Go! Parang cross against na sa baba. Oh yeah, safe, safe, safe. Pero yan, maganda. Kaliwa, kick left. Kick left. Sayang. Okay.
Nice shot. Kanan.
Pick left. Papaduro ko dapat. Go! Go! Olympian! Sobrang takot sa tubig. Sobrang right naman. 30 yards to the pin. Ano to ate? Left to right?
Right ulit.
Right to left. Oh. So may linya ulit ano?
Dito sir sa kalabas ng bagsak mo.
Pero gaano kalaki sa kaliwa? Ay sa kanan.
Malaki. Kasi pag ganun.
Sobrang side hill yan. So diyan kung saan si ate?
Sa kanan niya pa doon.
Kanan pa doon? Ayan kung saan siya?
Pero sa labas.
Talaga? Pero taas mabilis.
Nice. Yun oh. Nice shot.
Thank you. Oh, laki pala talaga, no? Naku, kulang sa kaliwa. Ay, sa kanan. Ay, pumasok! 5 points! 5 points! Ah, muntik pong mag 5 points. Pakimark nga yan. Hindi, joke lang. Nice one, brother. Ganda rin. Ayan na si Mr. Ay, kinain bigla. Okay, so pating Olympics, 4 points si Mark, 3 si attorney, ako 2. 1 na si Andrew. Ay. Okay na yan? Muntik na naman tayo doon. Wala ka naman pangangailangan na attorney ah.
Yes. Nice.
Okay, 2 points. Okay, playing the last hole. Thank you very much again, Malayan Insurance. Okay, hole number 15, playing for 130 yards. It's less daunting na kasi nasa YT kami. Ayan. Playing with confidence is easier when you're fully covered on and off the course. With golf insurance from Malayan Insurance, you get protection for your gear, peace of mind for unexpected mishaps, and even rewards for that unforgettable hole-in-one. Big thanks to Malayan Insurance for sponsoring this video and supporting golfers like me. Let's keep swinging with confidence. Alright, so playing the last hole, it's playing 405 yards. Dog leg right. So the pin is behind. It's to the right of those coconut trees. So the play is, I assume, aim for those bunkers there. Tapos the green kasi is here. Tapos slightly uphill pa yan if I remember correctly. Okay lang yan. Ganda yan. Perfect.
Nice shot. The right. Okay. Nice.
Ah, maganda rin, Mark.
Maganda.
Kikik right din yan. Last hole. Come on. Bird, par or better lang, Luigi. Aiming 160 yards. Aiming. Pin is 160 yards. Hitting an 8 iron.
Okay. Nice shot. Uy! Uy! Talpog.
Mark around 130. Ay, sama ng kick pakaran. Okay, pero at least he's on the green. Okay, Mr. Cortez around 120. Ay!
Downhill, ano talaga?
Sayang, went over the pin, the green. 21 yards to the flag. Ano to ate, kaliwa kanan?
Kaliwa yan sir, konti na. Pero ipin nyo na lang.
Ah, okay. Pero mabilis.
Downhill.
Basa naman. Wala, mabilis. Olympian. Drew for 5 points. Ay, baba! Oo nga eh. Okay, malamang 4 points naman na siguro si Mark. Ako, hopefully, chance for 5 and easy 1 point or easy 1 point. Right to left. Okay.
Ay.
Wala ka pang siguro doon sa 5 to 1 point. Isip ko na. Nakakuha pa yung 5 points. Okay, 1 point. Mark for 4 points. Bigay mo dito ate. Isang cup pero mabilis. 4 points pa.
Ganda, Mark.
Galing. Okay. Okay, BJ for 3 points. 1 cup lang sa kaliwa. Mabilis.
Hindi naman super bilis.
Nako, ay, malakas.
Ayun, sobra.
Tuwag. Look up.
Sobrang nag-baby.
Good round, brother. Sayang naman yun. Par or better pala. Double pa.
I hope he left.
I hope he left.
Sorry, he scored a gross of 86. But I had a handicap of 16. Derek, I'm so sorry you had a handicap of 11 kasi you played too well. Luigi Pagliari.
Is Luigi here?
Wala! Umuwi ka na! Umuwi ka na! So, we play with him sila Mike Bozem.
He's here. Congratulations, Sir Luigi. Kamakulo.
Kapatulo talaga. Ayoko. So Luigi is for. No, paano ka nagbabae? You go. Luigi is from Ardalan and he also has his own YouTube channel.
Alright, congratulations once again to our winner, Sir Kenji. Thank you so much.
Then you should.
Nice shot.